Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Benji An.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, we will play Tori English.
Yes, I can.
Today, theme is let's go out.
Yes.
I'm first. Let's start. Let's go out.
Good idea.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump.
Can you dance well?
I'm not sure.
Don't worry. Do what I do.
Like this.
That's right. Okay, next step is what's test.
Yes.
I show you some pictures.
Yes, I can.
Can you tell me what is this?
Yes.
Okay, start. What is this?
Iguana.
What is this?
Octopus.
Octopus. What is
Alligator.
Okay, what is this?
Key.
What is this?
Koi.
What is this?
Olive.
What is this?
Ant.
What is this?
Rubber.
What is this?
Parrot.
What is this?
Rabbit.
What is this?
Doctor.
What is this?
Deer.
What is this?
Eggs.
What is this?
Finger.
Okay, you did a great job. Yeah!